Hello everyone. In this video, I will guide you through how to fix lag and FPS drops in Skate 4. If you've been experiencing performance issues while trying to enjoy the game, you're in the right place. These optimizations will help you get a smoother gameplay experience without sacrificing too much visual quality. So let's dive right in. First things first, make sure your graphics drivers are completely up to date. This is a crucial step that many players overlook. Navigate to your graphics card manufacturer's website, whether you're using NVIDIA or AMD, and download the latest driver package for your specific card. Once your drivers are updated, let's adjust the in-game settings for optimal performance. Launch Skate 4 and navigate to the Settings menu. From there, look for the Graphics Options section, where we'll be making several important adjustments. Next, locate and disable VSync. While VSync prevents screen tearing, it can significantly impact your frame rate. Turning this off will potentially give you those extra frames you need for a smoother experience. Now, let's enable dynamic resolution. This is an incredibly handy feature that automatically adjusts the rendering resolution to maintain your target frame rate. After enabling it, set the resolution scale to somewhere between 80 to 90%. This balanced approach will give you better performance while still maintaining good visual clarity. One of the most effective settings for boosting performance is upscaling. Make sure to enable this feature and select FSR, which stands for AMD Fidelity FX Super Resolution. This technology intelligently upscales lower resolution images to appear sharper. For the best balance between performance and visual quality, choose either the balanced or quality mode. I'd recommend avoiding the performance mode unless absolutely necessary, as it can noticeably reduce image quality. Finally, it's important to lower your remaining graphics settings. Navigate through each option such as textures, shadows, effects, and set them to low. While this might seem drastic, these adjustments will have the most significant impact on your frame rate. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should experience a substantial improvement in performance with reduced lag and higher, consistent frame rates in Skate 4. If you find this video useful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.